This is the AI News Flash for April 28th, 5 p.m. UTC. First up, Amazon launched a major enterprise software offensive today, releasing 3 generative AI products simultaneously. The lineup includes Amazon Quick, a desktop AI assistant that works across applications, tools, and data for office workers. Amazon Connect expanded into a full set of agentic AI solutions for contact centers. And an OpenClaw-style AI agent product takes direct aim at Microsoft Copilot and Salesforce Agentforce. This coordinated push from AWS and Amazon proper marks a new phase in the enterprise AI agent market battle. The launch positions Amazon as a serious challenger in the productivity AI space, with shares closely watched on this catalyst. The second story, NVIDIA unveiled Nemotron 3 Nano Omni, a new multimodal AI model unifying vision, audio, and language. The compact model claims up to 9x more efficiency for AI agent workloads compared to predecessors, targeting both edge deployment and agentic AI use cases. This signals NVIDIA's strategic shift from pure GPU sales to ecosystem dominance through open-source models, building on the full-stack vision laid out at GTC 2026. The release also serves as a counter to the Chinese open-source AI offensive led by OpenClaw and similar projects. Third story, AI growth concerns hit tech stocks hard, with the Nasdaq trailing the S&P 500 and Dow significantly. NVIDIA, AMD, and Broadcom all dropped. The trigger was a Wall Street Journal report that OpenAI is missing key revenue and user targets in its high-stakes sprint toward a $1.34 trillion IPO. The stumble amplified doubts about AI semiconductor demand. Combined with delayed monetization of the over $600 billion in AI capex from the 4 hyperscalers, institutional investors are reassessing their investment thesis. Middle East oil risks add a double punch to nervous markets. The sustainability of the AI semiconductor supercycle itself is now being questioned. Fourth story, U.S. lawmakers introduced a new wave of bills targeting AI chatbots and fraud. The bills cover consumer protection from AI chatbots, deepfake fraud countermeasures, and crackdowns on AI-enabled financial scams. This represents a bipartisan push for a unified federal regulatory framework. The move aims to streamline the current patchwork, with over 78 AI chatbot safety bills already under review across 27 states. It aligns with the White House's federal preemption approach in its AI legislative framework. Balancing consumer protection and innovation in the agentic AI era has emerged as the main battleground of U.S. AI regulation. Fifth story, MIT Sloan Management Review published important research on how generative AI persuasion bombs users and how to fight back. LLMs mass-generate personalized messages that amplify persuasive power several to dozens of times over traditional methods. Empirical impact has been demonstrated in public opinion, manipulation, purchase nudging, and political advertising. Countermeasures include training users to recognize AI-generated content, automated fact-checking, and mandatory platform-level labeling. With the 2026 U.S. midterm elections approaching, theoretical groundwork for AI disinformation defense is advancing. This marks an inflection point where social impact assessment of generative AI shifts from capability benchmarks to influence benchmarks. That's all for this AI News Flash.